I spend hours on YouTube, but nothing works. Why is everyone else successful and not me? Wait, what if I try just 30 minutes a day? Just half an hour? That's all it takes. Let's figure out the YouTube automation secret. I don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Every day, 30 minutes. That's my rule. No distractions. Focus on one task at a time. Task, one goal, one video at a time. Small actions compound into big results. I'm ready to start my 30-minute journey. Half an hour of focused work can change everything. Doing everything myself is impossible! Let's automate the hard stuff. AI can handle scripting and voiceovers. I just review. I don't have to do everything. This simple system runs almost on autopilot. I can focus on strategy while the system handles production. Step 1. Choose a niche that is evergreen and profitable. I need something people always search for. Steps 2. Plan my first 10 videos. Templates make planning easier. Step 3. AI can generate the first draft. I just tweak it to make it better. Step 4. Voiceovers can be automated. Editing is faster with templates and AI tools. I just check quality, no need for perfection.
Thumbnail that pops makes people click.
Step 5. Upload and optimize every video. See what works, then double down.
My channel is finally gaining traction!
Consistency is the real secret. Step by step, I'm building a system. Now I can scale without extra effort. AI suggests trending topics in my niche. AI suggests trending topics in my niche. I can make multiple videos in one session. Upload complete. My system keeps running. Engagement is growing every day. Automation really works. Woohoo! High five! 30 minutes a day is turning into real income. I can delegate scripts and editing to grow faster. Data shows which videos perform best.
Batching saves so much time.
Subscribers are growing daily. My system now runs on autopilot. Passive income is starting to come in. I can start another channel too. Consistency plus automation equals success. The best time to start is now. 30 minutes a day changed my life. Now it can change yours too.